Hi guys, welcome to Cup of Beauty the Tea. You know what I made? Oh, so today we're going to be doing a face beat. Obviously I don't really know what she's got in store. She's going to surprise me. Don't mind the hair, you know, bitch, I'll give you a scare, all of that. So let's get this cracking. We are about to take over. See you in a bit, guys.
I'm going in with the hydrating mist from Superdrug to hydrate her face. You know, this is my holy grail. I'm going to go in with this mattifying primer by MUA Makeup Academy, and I'm going to apply this on her T-zone and areas where I want the base to be flawless. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I'm going to use this to carve out her brows and to fill in her lid space to create a bright canvas.
I'm crazy as hell, yo!
I'm going to pack on this dark, deep purple / violet eyeshadow. I've used the shadows from Be Perfect Carnival palette and Sample Beauty palette. I've cut the crease using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I'm going to set that using this bright pink shadow from the Sample Beauty palette. I went in with some Barry M Fine Glitter Dust. I had to use the hydrating mist to apply this. For foundation, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Spiced Almond. And I'm going to use a pat in motion to apply this. To fill in her brows a bit, I'm gonna create some hair-like strokes. You want feathery brows for this look because the eye is very dark and bright, so you don't want to have dark brows for this look. Using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, I'm going to conceal her under eyes, and I'm going to go in with the Real Technique setting brush to blend this out. With the Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to use a denser brush to cream contour her face. You want to blend outwards and really stick to the area where you've applied the cream contour. I didn't think that her under eyes were bright enough, so I went in with some more concealer, but this time a shade or two lighter. I think this is in Warm Honey, and I'm going to brighten her under eyes. Using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Medium, I'm going to set her under eyes, her nose, her forehead, and areas where I don't need to set, because after that I'm going to go with the Black Radiance Contour Palette to set her cream contour and bronze up the face a bit. I applied some lashes off camera, and I also added 2 rhinestones in the middle because we wanted to create like a little bit of a fun look. Make sure you follow my girl Anisa on Instagram and her YouTube channel. I will link it down below. She is hilarious and she creates funny content, and you know, if you want to have a laugh and you want to smile on your face and be happy, check her page out. To highlight, I'm gonna go in with the rose gold shade in the Stacey Marie palette, the Be Perfect Carnival palette, and I also went in with the shade Pink Me to highlight her brow bones. I hope you guys like this tutorial. You know, follow me on Instagram at Cup of Beauty and check out my other videos.